In Bhopal's Chambori Maidan, a large state-level Sarpanch conference was held where Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav addressed thousands of village leaders. He strongly said if any secretary does not work, we will remove him. What is the worth of these secretaries or assistant secretaries? His statement received loud applause from the Sarpanch. The CM added that the government stand with the Sarpanches and will solve any problem faced in government decision. He said every administrative difficulty will be handled seriously and fixed quickly by the government. After a blast near the Red Fort metro station in Delhi, Madhya Pradesh police have increased security across major cities. Police teams in Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior, Ujjain and Jabalpur started special checking drives. Dog squads were deployed at bus stands and railway stations to check bags and vehicles. DGP Kailash Makwana held a video meeting with all SPs and IGs asking them to stay alert and increase patrols. Extra police forces have been deployed to ensure safety in busy public areas and transport hubs. In Sindhi district of Madhya Pradesh, houses are being fitted with special plates carrying Ladli Behna Yojana and Swachh Bharat slogan. A government order from September 10th has gone viral, leading to a political controversy. Congress leader Ajay Singh Rahul objected and said government officers should not promote political scheme on people's home. He shared picture of the plates and the official order on Facebook saying administration is meant for public service, not propaganda. Local authorities said the plates are part of awareness drive, but opposition leader called it political misuse. A shocking murder took place in Balaghat's Beher area on Tuesday morning. A young man attacked his girlfriend and slit her throat in broad daylight at Amgaon village. People standing nearby recorded videos instead of helping her. The video shows the accused stabbing the girl with a knife several times. Police rushed to the spot after being informed, but the girl had already died. A search team has been formed to catch the accused. The incident has created fear and anger among the locals. In Katni district, a protest broke out after the railway administration removed a historic Hanuman temple near Mudwara railway station. Hundreds of Bajrang Dal and VHP members reached the spot, raised slogans and blocked the road for some time. The situation turned tense and police had to intervene to control the crowd. The protest lasted for nearly an hour before officials managed to calm the people. The railway authorities said the temple was on railway land, but locals demanded it be rebuilt nearby. In a strict move, Indore police fined their own staff for not wearing helmets while on duty. On Tuesday at the police control room near Palasya, senior officers checked everyone arriving on two-wheelers. Those without helmets were issued challan immediately. Some policemen argue, but the rules were enforced equally. Officials said the purpose is to set an example for citizens and ensure everyone follow road safety laws. The incident received public praise, showing that the traffic rule applying equally to all. The Bhopal railway station is ready to welcome thousands of people coming for the world-famous Alami Ijtema 2025. Railway and Ijtema committee officials have made arrangements for food, water and security. Around 50,000 people can be served food at the station. A special help desk, medical team and sanitation staff have also been deployed. The first group of participants called Jamaats will start arriving from Wednesday. The biggest crowd is expected between Friday and Sunday. Extra police have been posted for safety and smooth management. A part of the concrete slab over gate number 8 of the Kerwa Dam bridge in Bhopal suddenly collapsed on Tuesday afternoon. Luckily, no one was injured in the incident. Authorities immediately stopped vehicle movement on the bridge and started inspection work. The bridge is said to be more than 50-year-old, built before the famous Bhatpada Dam of 1965. Engineers have been called to check the safety of the structure. Locals demanded that the government repair it soon before any serious accidents occur. A shocking case of suicide came from Datia district where a primary school teacher ended his life inside the school campus. The teacher, Uday Bhanse Hare, age 50, was found hanging in the washroom of the government school in Salona B village. Other teachers and students were present at the time. Reports suggest he was under mental stress and recently given additional duty as a booth-level officer, which made him obnoxious. Police reached the spot and started an investigation. The education department is also conducting an internal inquiry. Madhya Pradesh is experiencing clear skies and pleasant weather this week. The evening temperature remains around 23 degrees Celsius, but it dropped steadily through the night. By midnight, most cities, including Bhopal, Indore, and Gwalior, will see temperatures near 16 degrees Celsius, while early mornings may touch 11 degrees Celsius. The weather department has predicted dry conditions with no chance of rain. People are advised to wear light woolens during the night and early morning hours. Winter is slowly setting in, bringing calm, cool night and comfortable sunny days across the state.